At American Frame, we package in a specific way to preserve and protect your order. So here's what to expect. This order contains wood and metal frames and some additional accessories that were ordered. Cut along the tape seam and open like a pizza box. Upon opening, a few things should be obvious. Metal frame pieces, accessories if you ordered them, like these linen hinge tape strips, plus your standard hardware. These items are often attached to layered cardboard, which contains all mat boards, mounting boards, and acrylic in your order. Don't throw this away. Underneath is the carrier board, which holds all your wood frames. There's nothing underneath the carrier board. You can look if you're that curious. We won't stop you. Once you have located all the items you ordered for your frame, you can recycle the box, or it can be reused for moving or transporting your art in the future. If you're having trouble locating your items, do not recycle anything quite yet, and check it again or contact customer service for help. We're here for you, here for the art.